Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm back at Dulwich Hill for Dulwich Hill part number 2 in request for New South Wales Trains Vlogs. And just departed on platform number 2, we had M16 and M11 for a Macarthur service. This train will stop at all stations. We have Waratah A9 now departing platform number 2 for a Lickham service. Waratah A9 will be stopping at Hillston Park, then followed by Canterbury, Campsie, Belmore, Lakamba, Wiley Park, Punchbowl, Bankstown, Yagoona, Biron, Regents Park, Burella and Lickham. A9. Another Waratah arriving on platform number 1, City Circle service. A69 is set. It will stop at Marrickville, followed by Sydenham, St Peters, Erskinefield, Redfern, Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Ringwood and Town Hall. A69. A69 now departing platform number 1 for a City Circle Fire Sydenham service. We have one number 1297 passing. NR120 leaving.
What for this train is 1297?
Train Loco, NR60. We have a Waratah arriving on platform number 2 for a Macarthur via Bankstown service. Waratah set is A30. He'll stop at all stations to Bankstown, then followed by Yagoona, Biron, Sefton, then all stations to Caparamatta, then Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Casula, Glenfield, then all stations to Campbelltown, then Macarthur. A30. Waratah A30 now departing platform number 2 for a Macarthur via Bankstown service due to track work between Glenfield and Sydenham. Next stop is Hillston Park, followed by Canterbury, then all stations to Bankstown, then Yagoona, Biron, Sefton, Chester Hill, Leightonfield, Villawood, Carramar, Caparamatta, then all stations to Campbelltown, then Macarthur. A30. We have a Celsa Garden shed passing. Living Loco, MZ 1443.
MZ 1443.
And Waratah A51 is off to Macarthur via Bankstown. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.